2017 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars, auto headlight on/off. Inside you'll find auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, dual front airbags, tilt steering wheel. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.